Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating a massive, explosive win on MERL. You're going to want to hear this because we're up an insane plus 130% after our beautiful call. Our fourth take profit target has been hit, and of course it was a bullseye. My ability to detect a 6-month trend breakout combined with my Ichimoku skills are just insane, and the chart proves it. Congratulations to everyone who took this one. Now keep this in mind, if you missed the train, it's much better not to FOMO. A 20% pullback could be expected soon to retest that weekly resistance breakout zone. The lower key support to watch is the 0.3100 to 0.2900 area. If it keeps pumping, our huge resistance areas are at 0.37500, 0.3800, and then a higher level at 0.4500. Now before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.